Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Rauf Ahmad Farooqi. Today I will discuss what is word. In previous video which I have made about the word, I discussed the word in general sense. Today in this video I will discuss the word in grammatical sense, or what is grammatical word. In general sense, the word may be defined as the combination of different letters which gives meaning is called word. For example, there is a word running. This combination is meaningful. This combination shows an activity, physical activity, and that is why we say that this combination is a word. If we define word in grammatical sense, or if we define grammatical words, it may be defined the combination of different letters which is meaningful and is defined with its role which it plays in sentence structure. Then the word may be said as grammatical words. In general sense, we may say that there are some words in front of us. For example, play, walk, run, rain. These are words. Why? Because these words are combination of letters give sense. That is why they are called word. And this is the definition of the word in general sense. And if we talk about these words in grammatical sense, then the word may be defined according to the role which it plays in sentence structure. For example, at the initial position there comes subject, and subject is always noun, and the next position in the sentence is predicate, and at the initial position of the predicate there comes a verb. When the words are defined with grammatical properties, then the words will be called the grammatical words. Grammatical properties mean the properties or the characteristics of the word according to their place which they hold in a logical structure or sentence. For example, if I say he plays cricket, in this sentence, at the initial position of the sentence, the word he is pronoun, and it holds the position of the subject, and this is the position of the noun, and this word replace the noun. That is why here in this sentence he will be called pronoun. And next position, at the next position there will be verb, which is the head of the predicate, and it shows the activity or the experience, and that is why it will be called verb. Then the words are defined as verb, noun, pronoun, and something like that. Then these words are called grammatical words. I have discussed in previous video the definition of word, lexeme, and you may say language, and here I will also try to explain the definition of grammatical words with the help of lexeme and word form. Lexeme is defined as the abstract unit of vocabulary. I have discussed that the lexeme is basic unit of the word which is found in dictionary, which is found in mental dictionary or lexicon. And when the lexeme is used in real context, For example, we use lexeme in a sentence in a specific context, then the lexeme becomes a word. When the lexeme is pronounced or represented in a sentence, then the lexeme will become word. And this is you may say journal definition or explanation of the word. And if we talk about the word in grammatical sentence with the help of example, the example is he plays cricket. Here in this sentence, plays is a word. Why? Because it gives full meanings. This is why we can say that this is a word. This is the general definition. And if we define this word according to the role which it plays in this structure, then the word will be called grammatical word. For example, the word play is a verb. Why? Because it is the head of the predicate. And there are some other grammatical properties of this word. For example, it is verb, third person singular, and present. Third person singular, you know that when the subject is singular, then the first form of the verb will take s or es with it, and s or es shows third person singular. It means the subject is third person and singular. And the tense of this verb is present. Why? Because its first form has been used here. When these properties are discussed of a word, then the word will be called grammatical word. I hope everyone will be able to understand what is grammatical word, and this video will be helpful for each and everyone. Thank you very much.